Hi everyone. This lecture is on mature cystic teratoma of ovary, the diverse sonographic spectrum. So this topic is a very important and significant topic. The mature cystic teratoma of ovary is otherwise also called a dermoid cyst, and this lecture will be covered under the headings of pathology of cystic teratoma, impact of its diagnosis for the patient, the sonographic spectrum, what are all the appearances which are specific to the condition, and other non-specific appearances will be discussed in detail, and pitfalls in the diagnosis will be discussed, and the complications, though rare, can occur, which will be discussed. And if you would like to listen to this lecture on the mature cystic teratoma of ovary, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.